wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best bonsai toolsets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The bamboomn Basics might be slightly overpriced considering that it doesn't include anything other than a pair of shears and a concave cutter, but you can rest easy knowing that both pieces are of pretty decent quality. Just make sure to keep them clean and well oiled. The pieces are hand forged from carbon steel and they're good for trimming large growth. However, the cutter may need to be sharpened initially. At number 9, it's not the most all-inclusive option out there, but with the Zelar made 8-piece you get a handful of useful tools at a price that really can't be beaten. 3 scissors, 2 wooden spades and a rake make planting and replanting especially easy. It also includes tweezers and can be used on other plant types too, but the handles are a little small. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Experienced hobbyists who've tried the cheaper alternatives will appreciate the quality of the Tianbonsai Masters, a collection of 7 stainless steel pieces in a nicely organized case. They're all handcrafted with long handles that offer added leverage during use. The blades stay sharp and all the pieces come lightly oiled. However, it is a very expensive option. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bonsai toolsets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the knasi miniature includes a wooden-handled rake, 2 differently sized spades, folding scissors, stainless steel tweezers, and 2 pairs of pruning shears, all for less than $15. Plus it comes with a zippered pouch for carrying and storage. The shears are very sharp and all the parts are easy to clean. It's great for indoor herb gardens too. Moving up our list to number 6. As handsome as they are functional, the yotek growing tools boast thick wooden handles with a matte black finish on the rake and spades. Keep in mind though that they need to be cleaned and oiled after each use to prevent rusting. The set includes a brush for dusting off leaves, holes in the handles for hanging, and a cute patterned hemp storage bag. Halfway up our list at number 5. With a thorough how-to book and a handsome wooden storage box, the tinyroots starter makes a great gift for anyone just getting into the art of miniature plant maintenance. Plus, unlike other kits, it comes with wire for shaping and training saplings. It also includes a nutrient supplement and traditional butterfly shears. It's good value for the price. At number 4, with 14 pieces designed to do everything from watering plants' roots to dusting off their leaves, the btibpse Mini is an all-in-one kit that won't break the bank, with sturdy utensils made from wood, stainless steel, iron and plastic. It's a durable construction that includes a spray bottle. It's also great for succulents. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. For intermediate users looking to get serious about their hobby, the voilamart 14-piece is likely to be a good investment. It's one of the most comprehensive kits out there, featuring everything from large and small cutters to branch benders to a handy 6-inch hemp broom. It includes 5 rolls of training wire and the pieces are made of carbon steel. It all comes in a large zippered case. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bonsai toolsets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the best-selling bamboomn tree pruning passes on the novelty items and only includes those that are absolutely necessary, such as a pruner, a bud and leaf trimmer, and a bamboo rake. Each piece is precision ground and comes sharp. It's very affordably priced and good for beginners. It comes with a hard case for storage. And taking the top spot on our list, the Planter's Choice Accessories Kit offers the 4 basic tools you need to take care of tiny plants, including tweezers for removing dead leaves, a pair of pruning shears, a bamboo brush, and a rake with adjustable prongs. The handles are ergonomically designed, and it comes packed in a gift box with a 100% money-back guarantee. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bonsai toolsets, or simply click beneath this video.